Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Itza Arroyo. If you're not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications, and hit that like button if you like fashion and beauty content. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I would style my Walmart blazer. So if you're interested, keep on watching.
Before we get started on today's video, I want to thank teddyblake for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I want to unbox my new teddyblake handbag with you dolls, and I was so excited. teddyblake makes 100% genuine leather handbags that are timeless, elegant, and versatile. And right now, dolls, you can save up to 75% off finding the perfect gift for Mother's Day. So dolls, I chose the Ava Gold style in white, and this bag is a perfect size for daily use with its 11-inch length. This bag is made from soft pebbled calfskin leather with a matching trim, which gives it a luxury and sophisticated look. I love how the white leather complements the gold hardware, and it really stands out. It's not just about the outside, let's take a look at the interior. The central compartment satchel has a toggle top closure to keep your essentials secure, and there's also an interior side zip pocket and a slide pocket for organization. And look how cute, it comes with a key and lock with a logo included, and did I mention it comes with a dust bag? Overall dolls, I'm impressed. If you're in the market for a new bag, I highly recommend you check out teddyblake. You can shop this bag and all other styles in the link in the description box.
Alright dolls, first of all, do not mind any stains on my pajamas. I will be changing soon. I placed an order obviously on Walmart on the website because I saw that Walmart just released Scoop's new blazer and it is in the color white. I ordered two, so I ordered a small medium. I wanted to see which one was going to fit better. I ordered it yesterday and it took 1 day to ship to me. So I wanted to open this package with you dolls, and then I wanted to try on the blazer and in front of you dolls, and I want to see which one looks better. I love Scoop blazers. I think every time Scoop releases a blazer, I buy them because they're just amazing, good quality, and they wash and dry well. So this is the medium here. So this is Scoop's double-breasted linen boyfriend blazer. And it is double lined, and now putting it on, I'm trying to see if I could see through, and you can't. I'm even wearing a white bra underneath. Can you see the white bra bit? No? So it does have a button closure here. So we have one here on the outside, but then another button here on the inside. So I am like 5'3", 5'4". This one's hitting me past my butt. It does have a little bit of a shoulder pad. So I know in the past I have gotten Scoop blazers that have like a scrunch on the sleeves. This one doesn't have any scrunch, but you can definitely roll your sleeves up. And then they're calling this one a boyfriend blazer, which is gonna give you more like a slouchy fit, but also a modern fit. Okay, so this one is a size small, and I already feel it a little bit more fitted. I don't feel it too oversized. I think this one just fits perfect. And so now I'm gonna show you a couple ways to style this blazer.
I tried my best to steam this blazer dolls, and by the way, I kept it in a size small. But here's one way that I would style my white blazer. I would pair it with with a black midi dress, and the contrasting colors is going to create like a classic timeless look. And then to complete the outfit, like cinch your waist up with a belt. You can experiment with different belts and styles, and then like just add some pair booties or heels or your knee-high boots for a more casual vibe. And accessories always play a big role in your outfit, so like throw on your jewelry, earrings, a necklace, a purse. I can see like an all-black purse or a clutch or a tote with this one. So yeah, try out this white blazer with a black midi dress combo and just add your favorite accessories, and it is a very stylish and put together look. I would consider my style more like a casual but like dressy looks, and so another way I would style this white blazer is throwing it over a romper, and this romper is from Walmart. The romper is under $20 and I love it, and then I would go ahead and pair it with some trendy sneakers for like a laid back look, or just so that I can go run some errands. And say I wanted to switch the outfit from day to night, I would just switch out the sneakers for some knee-high boots for a more dressed up look. I'm telling you dolls, the beauty of a white blazer, any blazer, just adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit, and you need to add to cart. As always, I will have everything linked down below. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, try pairing it with some shorts and some Western boots for about like a chic and edgy vibe. These boots, I got them at Target, and then my mother-in-law got me my bag in Mexico. So it is straight out of Mexico, and I'm loving this outfit. And as you can see, I threw on the shorts over the romper. And dolls, don't be afraid to experiment with different fabrics and textures to add more depth to the outfit. Depending on your mood, change up the shorts to a skirt. And this would be a perfect outfit for a day out with friends or a casual event. Have to share that one of my favorite ways to style a blazer is with a graphic tee. Now, the contrast between the formal blazer and a casual graphic tee, it's fun, it's unexpected, and it's just perfect for any occasion. Now, Walmart has one of the best graphic tees for only $10. Graphic tees like at Urban Outfitters or Revolve or any other like high name brand has like graphic tees from $30 to $80. Walmart has graphic tees for $10 and they're amazing. I think I have like 5 graphic tees from Walmart and they wash and dry really well. And this is one of my favorite ways to style graphic tees. And of course, I had to pair them with my newest sneakers from the brand Scoop from Walmart. I shared them in my last shoe haul. So check out that video, but look at how cute this outfit is. Okay, dolls, so here is another package that I want to unpackage with you. And I don't know, something about white that has me excited. But like I saw the white blazer and then I saw like these white pants and I want to see if I can do like a monochromatic look. What are these pants from Macroix? I hope I said that right. So these are like some soft linen pants. They have more of a relaxed fit. Yeah, these were $23 and they are a little see-through. These pants are available in 4 other colors, dolls. I ended up getting a medium, so maybe I need to size down in a small. But I did not like how see-through they were, dolls. They do have 2 front pockets. They do have a ribbed waistband with a zipper closure and a button closure with adjustable drawstrings. They do have pockets in the back, but I will say they were just really, really see-through and big on me. So I definitely need to size down. I wonder if the other colors are see-through. But anyways, here's how it looks with the blazer. So I don't think it looked bad once I had the blazer on top, but here's what I was going for. Let me know down below what you dolls think. And then I also got these pants from Scoop. So let's see. Yeah, these are Scoop Destructed Ankle Jeans, and these were $28. It's very hard for me to like purchase any bottoms right now because you know I do breastfeed and I still believe that I am losing weight and I don't know my exact size. Okay, so these I got in size 8. The only thing that I'm scared with these is that, you know, I am very thin. I don't have no thighs, I don't have no hips, I don't have no butt. And so we're gonna see how these look. I feel like a lot of dolls that have purchased these have like more of a curve and more body, but we'll see. So the jeans are a no for me. They're a little too baggy, too oversized. I know if I size down, it will not be flattering on my mommy pouch, but I do like how the white blazer looks with these jeans. I like distressing. The pants just wasn't flattering for my body type, but if you have more of a bottom figure, I think you will really like these jeans. And as you can see, I paired it with my new handbag, and I think this all white look is an overall clean look, and I really love the combination of all the whites. In my last video, I was having a giveaway and I'm here to announce the winners. So congratulations to these 2 subscribers. Thank you so much for the support. And dolls, we've come to the end of this video. I hope that I was able to help you style a blazer. If you want more videos like this, make sure to comment that down below. And don't forget to subscribe and we'll talk to you on the next one.